Hi, this is Don. I'm the owner of Don Anthony Realty, and it's time once again for your monthly inventory update. So whether you're trying to sell for sale by owner, or if you are trying to list your home on the multiple listing service with a discount realtor or a full service broker, we can definitely help you get your home sold. And it's very important to know what the inventory looks like and what you're up against. And so here is your inventory update for November of 2010. And let's start with, as we always do, with the 90-day rolling average inventory. I always think it's good to get kind of a trend, since it's definitely possible for there to be anomalies on a month-by-month basis. And so this shows you the 90-day rolling average. The good thing that I'm seeing here is I was a little bit worried. As you see here, the green line is 2010. And what I was concerned about was the trend, upward trend at the beginning of kind of towards the end of the summer, beginning of fall, that we were going up. And that was a little bit concerning, as it was following a same trend line, although earlier in the year, compared with 2008, when we had a huge run-up of inventory. The good news is, as you can see here, that we've actually flattened out, which is nice. I think it's going to go up a little bit more, but not nearly like it did in 2008. So that's good news for the market. We don't want to see a huge inventory run-up like we did in 2010. I'm sorry, 2008. And so we'll see how that plays out for the rest of the year. As usual, we'll see a spike up because as people tend to wait until after the holidays to list their homes for sale. So that should go up a little bit more, but not like it was in 2008. So that's good news. If we look at the actual month data, month by month, so this is not a rolling average trend, this is an actual month of inventory. You can see the red line, the red bar graph shows 2008 and how that was spiking upward. Whereas if you look at the purplish color, it's been relatively flat here in 2010. So we did have a little bit of a spike up in this month compared with last month. So that's not too surprising compared with previous years. You can see even in 2009, the green lines, that went up as well. So 2009 green, 2008 red, and 2010 purple, going upward in these months. So that's not too surprising, but not a huge bump up. Definitely more than 2009, but not as much as 2008. So that's good. And you can see that as we see here in this graph, this chart that shows the per price range. We did see that we had an overall 11% increase in inventory, going from 13.69 months overall to 15.19 months of inventory. And you can see here we had an increase in most of the price ranges, pretty big increase in the lower price ranges, over 20% increase, which is a little bit surprising. Now we're up to 12 months of inventory there. But only the $350,000 to $500,000 went down. A little bit of a decrease in the $500,000 to $1 million, but overall we had about 11.0% increase. The number of homes for sale that are under contract, you can see here again we're down very low, lower than we ever have, or not ever, but lower than we have been over the last several years for the November timeframe. So again, not a lot of activity out there for the buyers, for the sellers who have their home on the market. So these are the number of homes that are under contract, and they're the lowest they've been in the last 4 years. The same is true with closings, although it came close to matching the 2008 number. I'll be interested to see if December surpasses or goes below the 2008 number. But again, we're very low, as low as we've been over the last several years in terms of the number of homes that have actually sold. Interestingly, though, we've seen a huge trend, declining trend over the last several years. This goes back to July of '06 for the mortgage rates. And we actually had a little bit of a bump up as we closed out November. So we were completely declining every single month up until just we had a little slight raise. So hopefully that shows a little bit positive trend, that maybe we're having a little bit more consumer confidence out there, and that at least the government believes that we have more of a economic trend in the right direction. So we'll see how that plays out as well. The new listings for November also were down. So again, lower than any other month has been. So still the market is going in the wrong direction from that perspective. But hopefully with the inventory, we see that we're more flattening out instead of going up. So we'll see how that plays out for 2011 and see how December plays out as well. But definitely, if we can help you out, either buying a home in the Charlotte region or selling a home, we'd love to do so. Check out our website at donanthonyrealty.com or give us a call at 704-644-1467. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.